Hello everyone, my name is Xiaoqing Gan. I come from Gynecologic Day Surgery Center, Chengdu Women's and Children's Central Hospital, School of Medicine, University of Electronic Science and Technology of China. I'm very glad to have opportunity to take part in this congress. My topic is when nurse encounter URAS. Total hysterectomy performed as day surgery comes true in China. The objective is to investigate the feasibility and safety of laparoscopic hysterectomy in the Gynecologic Day Surgery Center with both NIS laparoendoscopic single-site surgery and URAS enhanced recovery after surgery. Methods: 2 cases of laparoscopic assisted vaginal hysterectomy and bilateral salpingectomy were performed with transumbilical laparoendoscopic multifascial single-site surgery in the Gynecologic Day Surgery Center. One patient was 50 years old with multiple uterine leiomyoma. Size of the biggest leiomyoma was 10 cm. The other patient was 47 years old with uterine and adenocarcinoma. Both patients had no desire to preserve fertility. The URAS protocol. Pre-operatively, the patient didn't accept any bowel preparation and fast 8 hours or more following intake of red or fatty foods or meat, 6 hours or more following a light meal or milk, and 2 hours following clear liquids. 1 dose antibiotic prophylaxis was administered 30 minutes before surgery. The URAS protocol. Intraoperatively, both patients accepted general anesthesia and warming devices to maintain normal thermia during operation. The URAS protocol. Postoperatively, the urinary catheter was removed at the end of the operation. Patients received multimodal postoperative analgesia, including local anesthetic infiltration at the podocyte in combination with ibuprofen suspension, 10 ml 3 times 1 day, auricular point stimulation and acupuncture. This is a special one in our department. And the URAS protocol, the postoperatively still has the patients had no intraperitoneal drain and were allowed early mobilization as soon as possible after surgery. And they were allowed oral intake and regular diet as soon as discharging from post-anesthesia care unit. Results: both surgeries went smoothly without converting to laparotomy and lost about 2 hours with less bleeding. One uterus weighed near 700 grams and the other one about 400 grams. Both patients urinated normally after surgery and exhaustion occurred within 12 hours. Postoperatively, both patients were discharged about 24-hour stay in the Gynecologic Day Surgery Center. Follow-up: both patients have been followed up for 1 month. The umbilical incision and vaginal stum healed well without any discomfort. Conclusions: with both LAS and URAS, total hysterectomy performed as day surgery in the Gynecologic Day Surgery Center in China is feasible, safe, and has significant social and economic benefits. That's all. Thank you very much.